We bought 5 of the best-selling bits of tech on AliExpress. You got a smart ring, an action camera, a smartphone gimbal, a 4K projector, and a pair of wireless earbuds. We're going to rank them from 5 to 1, and which one you should buy and which you should avoid. Let's go. Coming in number 5 are these truly wireless earbuds, all black case, mimic a lot of what you see in your standard AirPods. They are very cheap, and they've sold over 5,000 units of this to date in this particular color, just to preface it. So what you get a pretty small standard pebble-like case, USB charging, and the buds slot right into the case itself. All seems pretty well. They feel and fit really nicely, super snug as you would on your normal earpods. But downsides, music quality is not great, sound output is not great, and worst of all, build quality is quite cheap. Coming in at number 4 is this 4K action camera, which has tons and tons of features. First of all, let's talk ports. So you've got your ports on the side, mini HDMI, micro USB, sad times, and then you've got your up and down key and your OK button for selection, and then you get a nice cheeky little screen. Also with this, you get an absolute ton of accessories. The most important of which though is this mount, which is actually pretty sick. So helmet or bike mount, pretty cool, and it's water resistant as well. So footage of this apparently is 4K, but as you can see in the B-roll here, it's not exactly 4K. But is it possible? Possibly 720p or maybe 1080i? Probably, but that is the 4K action cam. Coming in at number 3 is this pretty great smartphone gimbal, which also has, if I can find the button for it right here, a backlight which you can adjust based on your preference and brightness. Actually is pretty sick. You get a dedicated app as well that will allow you to customize, to track and everything. This has sold over 5,000 units, and I'll be honest with you, I can see why. Coming in at a close second is this pretty cool and pretty great smart ring from Curring. Now, this has generated over 4,000 sales, and actually it's pretty sick. I'm quite excited for the Galaxy Ring anyway, but this has amplified it even more. Now you're probably thinking this is not going to give you anything. Actually, it gives you everything. So you can track sleep, heart rate, steps, calorie burn, workouts, blood oxygen levels, everything. Now the data accuracy isn't that great, but in terms of look and feel, it's pretty great. And as you can see in the data on screen in this little clip we've taken, it shows you how much data it is tracking in our day-to-day use. All the sensors live just in that ring there, and it's pretty great for what it does. So coming in at numero uno with over 100,000 sales is this Projector, which this is a smaller screen size you can get, but it doesn't do justice until you do that. Then you get insane quality for something that honestly isn't a lot of money. Connect it to your Wi-Fi and you will get Netflix, YouTube, etc. And it comes with a built-in mic as well, so you can hear it.
If you understand the Earth's weather, you are probably wrong. Everyone knows our climate is changeable. It's temperature, it's rain, it's wind.
Yeah, picture quality couldn't be better if you get a dedicated TV, but overall, the quality on this projector for what you pay is pretty great. That's our top 5 selling items in tech on AliExpress. Shout out also to AliExpress for sponsoring this video and for supplying us with some discount codes, which you can check in the description below. Until the next one, as always, we out.